Guys, welcome back to your own channel, guys. What we have exactly analysis at index, you can see that exactly that happened. I have told you if it will take resistance, you can achieve up till here. Our first target reach, second, third. After here only it became reversible. After here you have bought somewhere, then you have got first and second target too. The ideal thing is what we have discussed here, that you have achieved. Okay guys, this is the another trade. If you have taken or not, it's up till you. So you can see that our accuracy is 100%. Here also I have told you that if it will break and goes upside, so it goes upside also. After somewhere here only it once again came downside and became a sideways market. Okay guys, so we can see in SPX also, in XPX also exactly that happened. You can see here it has been fake breakout. You can see here fake breakout happened. After that this candle you have buyed or shorted. Okay guys, after that you can see here exactly here only turn around the market. After that our first target, second and third, all three target has been reached. You can see that here small SL has been hit. So no worry, you have got very nice risk to reward in that too guys. In Dow Jones you have got very nice target, and here also I have told you if it will take support somewhere here. You can see that exactly here only taken support. Our first target is second target, it is enough. I have told you at second target only you have to book your 70%. Hope you have booked that your 70% guys. We can see Microsoft also I have told you if it will take resistance, but it became whole day a sideways market, open here and closed here. This is the one of the sideways market. We can see Apple. In Apple also it makes a double top. You can see here, just a second, you can see here double top maiden, came downside, exactly here only taking a support and going upside momentum. Okay guys, so we can see the where today can market goes. First we can see Dow Jones guys. So in Dow Jones you have seen that this is the one of the major resistance area and this is the supporting area. Okay guys, right now I am looking like a bullishness in the market guys. So if it will break or open gap up, then it will take here somewhere. Then our first target will be here guys, this will be the your second target, and this will be the your third target guys. Okay guys, if it will came downside or taken a gap up and take here somewhere resistance, or almost these are the our downside targets. Okay guys, if very big gap up or something happened, then you can hold on and see the price action and you can trade in that. In NASDAQ also, if some price action made or something, then only go for it, or some gap up open. Okay guys, somewhere here only gap up open, if it will take support, then you can expect your first target, second target and third target guys. These are the three target in upside momentum. If open a gap up, okay guys, somewhere here only open gap up, take resistance, then you can see the price action guys. Okay guys, don't go blindly, see the price action and keep the very small stop loss. So you, if SL also hit it, so you don't worry about it. Your first target will be here guys, second target, this will be the third target guys, and this will be the your fourth and final target guys. Okay guys, these are the target, three target for downside and upside momentum. If anything happens, so I will check out and posted you in Telegram channel also. You can check out the cryptocurrency also. I have told you guys, it has made very nice. In natural gas also we have got very nice trade guys. Please check out that my Telegram channel, you have got there. Okay guys, we can see for SPX today. Okay guys, right now it is in a gap. Okay guys, so I am expecting that in global market also I am seeing, so some gap up will be happening. So if gap up happen, then you can have to see that it takes support somewhere here or make a price action, then you can go for up till here or up till here also guys, 4047. Okay guys, up till here you can reach. Okay guys, this will be the downside. If take a resistance or open gap up, then take resistance, then it will came back here. If open a gap up, then made a price action, you can go for this. Okay guys, we can see some stocks. Okay guys, right now we can see the Tesla. In Tesla you can see here guys, this is the making look like just like this. Okay guys, just I will zoom out so we can get clear goals. So okay, it's looking like great right now. Just a second, I will see it if it will no, it's not, it's correct right now. Okay guys, so if it will open a gap up, then you can see the price action. If it takes support and break, then you can easily reach your first target will be here, second target, this will be the third, this will be the fourth, and final target will be this fifth target. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum in Tesla. In downside also, what we have to discuss, just these are the downside targets guys today. Okay guys, three targets only, that is sufficient. If some gap up gap down open, I will update in Telegram channel, you can join there guys. Okay guys, we can see for Microsoft right now, Microsoft is in the consolidation phase. So if open a gap up, then you can expect that it take resistance. Okay guys, our first target will be here guys, second target, and easily reach third target too. Okay guys, so if open a very big gap up, then take support, then it will be the not a ideal trade, but still you can trade in here because market is bullish, so Microsoft will also make a boom. So you can trade like a here, like a first target, second and third target guys. Okay guys, we can see for Apple, you can see that you know that you are loving about the Apple products, I know that. Okay guys, so right now you can see here it is in the consolidation phase. So it is at the breakout stage, this will be the breakout stage. If it will break guys, then you can expect that if it will open gap up, then it will definitely gonna take here support guys, and then you can reach our first target, second target, and even third target guys. Okay guys, I will just make a support and resistance for you because this is the ideal where it can take support and goes upside momentum guys. Okay guys, if it open a gap up, okay guys, then take here somewhere resistance. You can expect your first target guys, this will be the second, this will be the third target. Okay guys, hope you like this video guys. If you have any queries, please comment down, I will be the happy person to share you with my knowledge also. So you can comment your any issue will be there, so I will resolve that guys. Thank you for watching guys.